what's going on? So today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is Woman Arrested After Spending $450 on a spa with fake credit cards. Man, oh man, she committing fraud? Okay.
She just read the numbers aloud, and she bought a gift card for $450.
Where's you? I'm doing all right, ma'am. Just go ahead and stand up.
I'm
Stop.
sorry.
Don't fight.
But I'm sorry.
So
Officer,
I honestly
told you
don't
I'm
care.
sorry.
In Florida, officers received a phone call from a massage parlor related to a woman who decided she wanted to purchase a 3-hour spa session. Although that may seem normal, the woman offered to pay extra for the best masseuse and even included a $450 gift card in her purchase. To make matters worse, she decided she wanted to make her purchase with a stolen credit card.
Of course it's Florida.
When officers arrived, the credit card owner was on the phone with the massage parlor, and he stated that the $650 charge was fraudulent and that they should immediately call the police.
She didn't show us the picture. She just read the numbers aloud, and she bought a gift card for $450.
From you guys?
And that's the same exact amount that the couple was reporting to us.
Where's you? Right here?
Yeah.
The officer was shown the suspect in question. She appeared to be relaxing, getting a massage all from the stolen credit card. But what she didn't know is things was about to make a turn when questioned about whose credit card she used.
All right.
I don't know, it's weird.
Where's she at? Question for you: did she show you the picture of the card, or did she just read it all from? Was she still on the phone when that was happening?
No. She was just looking at her phone.
Was the message on your phone?
No, he called it instantly.
They're saying that you were reading off your phone, so.
No, it was really a text message from him.
Yeah, can you see the text?
It wasn't the phone, it was the card. It was literally like he called.
Do you have a picture of who the card holder name?
No, I don't have it on. That's what I'm saying. I never have the card number. Like he called it
Because
instantly.
I had two people.
She lying.
That was their card.
No, that's not. That's literally the card that he gave me to pay it. So I don't know what they're talking about.
They called me and they notified me that fraudulent charge had been made of $450.
No, this literally the card that he just gave me to pay. I was on the phone and he said like, okay, I'm gonna pay. He's like, okay, put my card. Yeah. I don't know what these people are calling for because I maybe
They called immediately. They called like 3 minutes after the transaction went through. Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, no, I didn't. Like I said, I called him. I got the information from him. He's like, hey, just go ahead and pay it. I said, okay, no problem. Then I was on the phone with him. That's why I had my headphone on. That's what he saw. I'm like, I'm shocked. I'm like, what the heck? Because I just got it from him. Yeah, no, I don't know.
I definitely had two people saying that was her card.
I'm sorry. I didn't know anything about that, literally. He just told me, gave me the card number, that was it.
Do you have your ID on you?
That's weird. That's crazy. Oh, wait, no, I did not. Take this more time. I came through Uber. That's crazy. Oh, 3 1 minutes. Oh. This is crazy. I'm sorry.
Where's your car at? You said you came in the Uber?
Yeah, well, I came through an Uber, but my car. That's crazy, though. How does that happen?
I don't know, but
That's crazy.
let's go get your ID.
What do we do from here? Like,
I mean, if you're claiming that, and whatever, you could. I'll have you write a statement. But do you know how your husband got that card then?
Babe, like, I'm about to say, babe, because I'm so shocked. Because literally, he just called and he's like, babe, just go ahead and pay it for me. Like, okay, no problem. So But my thing is, how is it saying fraud when it's like we use that card before? Like, I don't understand. That part I don't understand. 'Cause I'm like, I don't know.
Oh, well, you gonna understand today. Don't worry about it.
Give me, I'm sorry.
Oh, that's fine.
I'm so shocked, sir. I never had this happen before, so.
Is this your car?
I know this is my brother's car.
All right, what's your
This
first
is
name?
crazy. This is crazy.
Listen, it's a red flag. It is not common for you to get a 3-hour massage and also buy a $450 gift card. Like, that's not common. You know what I mean? Now, if you want to do the whole massage thing, okay, cool. But the extra $450 gift card and all of that, nah, that's not common. That's not common at all. And that's what a lot of people do, like scammers and stuff like that. They try to buy the giffies, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't know. That's how, you know, they be maneuvering stuff and all that. So yeah, like, that's crazy.
RJ.
Smith is my last name.
My car.
This is crazy.
Because I'll let you write a statement. So at least,
I'm sorry.
I said at least you'll write a statement and I'll see what's going on. But
Thank
at
you.
the minimum, I got to do a report because realistically, you could have been going to jail. You can sit in the front for me. Yeah. Oh, okay. Hi, is this Mr. Colt?
Yeah.
All right, this is Deputy Smith, the Orange County Sheriff's Office. In reference to your card, you physically have the card?
What was that?
Yeah, I said, do you physically have the credit card, sir?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Do you want to press charges?
Sure. Yeah.
All right. This is going to be recorded since you're in county, right? Or are you in Florida?
Or Kissimmee, right off of 192.
All right, so I'm gonna let you know that I'm gonna record this so I could use this, and so there's no way for me to physically meet with you. Are you okay with me recording this conversation?
Yeah.
All right. And explain to me what happened.
I really don't know. Just my wife called me and told me that we had she asked me if I made a charge at that nail salon, and I told her I didn't, and she called the credit card company and canceled the card, and then we called the nail salon company themselves to let them know that, what had happened.
Okay.
But me and my wife, we both have the credit card. It's the same number, her card and my card.
Her card and your card?
And then we both physically have our cards with us.
Okay.
I'm sorry, y'all.
No, that's fine. Just go ahead and turn around.
Yeah, I gotta go. I gotta go.
You're going.
Why?
Because you lied to me. First off,
I'm
stop.
sorry.
Don't fight.
But I'm sorry.
So I don't. I honestly don't care if you don't fight. I honestly don't care if you're sorry or not. But here's the thing: they want to press charges, and the fact that yeah, they want to press charges.
Why? No, babe. I told them I did not take that from them. I did not take that from them, sir. I got this from my boyfriend.
Why she called him babe? Did y'all hear that? Like, no, babe. Like, did you hear that? She trying to throw in them little slick comments like, you going to jail.
I honestly don't care if you're sorry or not, but here's the thing: they want to press charges, and the fact that yeah, they want to press charges.
Why? No, babe. I told them I did not take that from them.
You hear that?
I did not take that from them, sir. I got this from my boyfriend.
I thought he was your husband.
No, that is my husband.
You went from husband to boyfriend. You gave me the wrong name. There's nothing don't be sorry. You just own up to your stuff. The fact that you said that you're from New York and you didn't have an ID, and then I run you, and then you have an ID in Florida. No, we're not playing these games. You made stupid choices and you get stupid consequences. So that's what's happening. All right? I want my pen. All right, there we go. Do you have anything that will poke me, stick me, hurt me, or anything like that?
I just have my phone.
All right, cool. Go ahead and turn around, face the flag. Spread your feet.
Am I able to, like, is there anything I can do?
You could go to the jail and then you could figure it out from there.
Please, sir, I'm sorry.
Come on now, you see the way she looking at his eyes. Come on now. Is there anything I could do? Come on, you know what she talking about. She ready to bust it. Like, let's be honest here. She's ready to bust it. That's it. My man is holding frame. He like, nah, you can go to the jail. She look how she looking at him. She ready. Yo, this is crazy.
Don't apologize
Well,
to me.
I didn't do anything. Is there anything?
Feet.
Oh yeah.
Am I able to, like, is there anything I can do?
You could go to the jail and then you could figure it out from there.
Please, sir, I'm sorry.
Don't apologize
Well,
to me.
I didn't do anything. Like,
She
my
ready
phone, like,
to bust it.
It's like, I did not do that. When he gave me the card number, that's how I used it. Are you gonna let me call her mom? I have my phone right
You
here.
can.
Please,
Your phone
can I
right
call
here.
her? Yeah, because I was holding it. Can I call her?
You can call her at the jail. They'll let you get the numbers out of your phone.
Am I able to get a bond or anything?
I will let you know at the jail. Yeah, I don't know what the bond is.
Hey, what are you You're not.
Huh? Fraud. Can you walk me through what happened though? Because I know you're about to write it down, but I'm about to take it to jail, so I can get that later. But as long as I have a verbal of what happened, I'll be fine.
Okay. So she came in. She wanted to book a pedicure, and then before she wanted to do her pedicure, she wanted to buy a gift card. So Alyssa took the gift card, put the gift card numbers in there. She said, I don't have my card on me. Is it okay if I just give you the card number aloud? And we're like, yeah, that's fine. So she gave us the card number verbally. We typed it in. It declined the first 2 times. And then on the 3rd time it went through. I think I want to say it was maybe a different number that Alyssa said that she gave her the 3rd time. And then that one went through. And then she went back for the pedicure, and then about 5 minutes after she went back there, I had 2 calls from a couple. It was a man and a woman, and they said that I was a fraudulent charge, and they just wanted to let me know for the business.
Perfect. Thank you.
The suspect was taken down to the local jail and was given a free inmate uniform to wear. She was hit with fraud charges. She was given 2 days in jail and probation. We're sure that's enough punishment to prevent her from committing another crime ever again.